Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo.
Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshi. Kamusta lang po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Aqua at ang bago po natin mga viewers. Tignan po natin ngayon kung ano yung enerhiya o mensahe na gustong iparating sa'yo. We have the Hermit. We have the Ace of Wands. The Four of Wands. The Five of Cups. And the Emperor. Bottom niya is the Hangman. Okay, Aqua. Hangman is an energy coming from a Pisces. So, you might be dealing with a Pisces. Ito yung energy na tumitingin ka, no, sa isang posisyon na naiiba. Kung gaba nasanay ka sa isang way to look at things, ito parang inikot mo yung sarili mo kasi you wanted to see other angles, no, ibang prospekto nung sitwasyon o yung buhay. And maybe because you wanted to understand more, gusto mo pang mas maintindihan yung tao, yung sitwasyon o yung pangyayari, kaya mo ito ginagawa para mas magkaroon ka ng clarity, no, kaliwanagan. But with the Knight of Pentacles, medyo nagiging slow, mabagal o walang developments. Hindi mo makita yung developments na yon. And with the Queen of Cups, this is an energy coming from a water sign. It could be from a Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Mabagal yung pagdating sa pag-ibig. Okay, so maybe you're trying to see kung meron ba akong pagkakamali or is anything wrong with me? Bakit things are not progressing very fast pagdating sa love life ko? Bakit parang walang nangyayari? That's how I would see this or feel. Nafe-feel ko na parang yun yung tinatanong mo, Aqua. Kasi with the Hermit card, this is an energy coming from a Virgo. Malalim ang pag-iisip. No? Tagal mo na tong, kung ba parang binubuo sa iyong kaisipan at palaging tinatanong na, ano ba? Mag-iintay lang ba ako? Ano nang gagawin ko? Meron ba akong dapat gawin? Paltan? Baguhin? Paano ko malalaman kung anong dapat kong aksyon na i-take? No? Things like that. So, you wanted to find out na kung ano na yung may problema ba ako o may problema ba yung person ko o ano ba, what is in store for me? Ano ba yung meron ako sa future ko? And you wanted to find out this new beginning. Something very passionate. You want basically an action. Yung action. You know, hindi lang yung mag-isip, kundi ba't gusto mo magkaroon na ng pangyayari. Developments, no? May pag-uusad yung sitwasyon na ito. At ang purpose mo dun is because you wanted to find that person, that right person, and eventually get married, no? Yung ano mo na, ito na, this is the one. Somebody na talagang very stable, somebody na meron na pareho kami ng gusto, ng plano, ng ma-achieve sa buhay. And ayaw mo na kasi makaranas pa ng regrets, no? You don't want that anymore. I think you've gone through so many regrets already sa mga past relationships mo. That's why ang ini-aim mo ngayon is somebody na talagang who is really on top of his game, no? Top of his or her game. Kung gaba talagang somebody na matured na, may posisyon, stable, may sinasabi, matalino, determinado, all the good things of this an emperor. This is an energy coming from an Aries. So, yun yung gusto mo, no? Ayaw mo na ng mga fling-fling lang dyan, yung mga pasimple-simpleng getting to know. No, you are really on to having a very serious relationship. Five of Wands, the Nine of Wands, the Knight of Swords, the King of Swords, and the Six of Cups. Bottom niya is the Seven of Pentacles. Alam mo, matagal ka nang naging very patient about this situation. You've been very patient waiting for that person to come into your life, that right person to come into your life. With the Page of Swords, ang gusto mo kasi is to receive a message saying na kung ano ba talaga yung totoo. Something that would tell you na this is what you've been praying for or wishing for with the Star. This is your energy, Aqua. The Star. Gusto mong makatanggap ng mensahe. Kasi matagal mo na kung gaba parang you invested a long time waiting for this to have its parang fulfillment. No, na matupad siya. And you wanted na sana ito na yung kung gaba last draw of waiting. Ito na yung huli kasi you wanted yung papasok na cycle na ito na, papasok na yung person that would show you love with the Knight of Cups. Yung talaga may mag-o-offer na ng love sa'yo. And this time, it will be somebody na talagang would love you so very much. With the King of Cups. Again, this is coming from a water sign. So, you might be dealing with a water sign. Sabi ko nga, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Okay? So, yun yung iniintay mo na magkaroon ng wish fulfillment, na matupad what you've been praying for. Kasi kakaisip mo nga, no, you've been contemplating, you've been meditating, praying, thinking, reassessing, everything, no, na talagang tinitingnan mo lahat kung ano yung dapat gawin, baguhin, o anong aksyon na dapat ko i-take. Kasi nga, ayaw mo you don't want any competition, definitely. No, ayaw mo na may kalaban. Hindi naman kasi maganda talaga yon. And you want fast action. Gusto mo talagang may mangyari na, magkaroon na ng galaw. Kasi napapagod ka, nakakaintay. You're very tired of waiting. Of being, like, alam mo yung, dito ako, pero wala pa rin nangyayari. Look at this picture. Yung girl is just there standing, waiting for this, kung gaba yung parang dumating ka na, andito ako, naghihintay sa'yo, but parang ang tagal-tagal wala pa rin. Gusto ko lang naman magkaroon ng somebody very stable, somebody na I could lean on, na talagang alam ko na mahal ako at siseryosohin ako. Hindi yung mabilis akong, alam mo yung mabilis kikilos tapos nawawala agad. Mabilis nga siya kumilos pero eventually magkakaroon naman ako ng regrets sa tao na to. Kasi itong person na to, oo, maano siya, sabihin natin na truthful or talagang hindi makikipag loko-loko o hindi makikipag lokohan, hindi makikipaglokohan, hindi loko-loko hindi makikipaglokohan. Kasi ang gusto mo nga is talagang seryoso. Siseryosohin ako. And this person na iniintay mo will come back. Yung iniintay mo basically, Aqua, is somebody from your past. Dadating siya. This person is somebody from your past. Okay? Kung naniniwala ka sa mga past life, it could be somebody from your past life or somebody from your past. Kung ba parang nung maliliit pa kayo, bata ka pa, nung high school ka pa, o nung nag-college ka, o nung first job mo, nakilala mo to, nagkahiwalay kayo, ngayon magkikita kayo muli. Ganun yung dating niya. Hindi mo siguro akalain na bibigyan pa kayo ng pangalawang pagkakataon ni God or yung universe na maging kayo. Okay? Kasi you manifested this, no? Pinagdasal mo to eh. Inisip mo siya palagi. Maybe you have thoughts about this person. Baka naisip mo na, sabi ko nga, kamusta na siya? Ano na kaya nangyayari sa kanya? When I remember nung kaming dalawa, madalas kami nakakapag-usap o nakikita, masaya ako sa kanya. Ano na kaya siya ngayon? So marami kang mga tanong, no? Yun yung mga iniisip mo eh. Kung naging kami, ano na kaya kami ngayon? So maybe yung mga tanong mong yan, you manifested that, hindi mo nalalaman. But now God is giving you all the answers. So bakit hindi mo malaman? Sabihin, it is time for you to find it out. Kaya binabalik siya sa'yo para alamin mo kung okay ba kayong dalawa. Okay? Kasi I think this person is basically what you are looking for. Kasi yung energy niya is the emperor. Yung talagang, yun na. Kung ba sa hinahanap mong kapartner, ito na yun. Wala ka na masasabi pa dyan. Kaya, you just need to, sabi ko nga, wait for this to happen. Kasi, alam ko napapagod ka na. You've been waiting. But things will change. Kasi you have this new beginning. And itong new beginning na to is all about action. Kilos. Mabilis na pagkikilos. Mabilis na dadating itong tao na to na hindi mo isipin na, ito na ba? Kung ba parang akala mo wala pa pero yun na, dumating na siya. So ganun, something truly unexpected. Ano yung message na gusto mong ibigay kay Aqua? Blame. I accept responsibility for my well-being. Okay, so, and failure. I understand that a mistake is only an opportunity to learn. Okay? So, huwag kang matakot na hindi mag-work out. Kasi it is something for you to learn. Kung ba yung purpose nito is for you to learn. Kasi kung ano man yung susunod na mangyayari pa sa buhay mo, merong kaugnayan yan sa nangyayari ngayon. It has something to do with what you're experiencing right now. Para sa susunod nga, yung future mo, magagamit mo yung natutunan mo ngayon. Huwag mo sisinin, kahit huwag mo sisinin ng Diyos, huwag mo sisinin ng ibang tao, but you should also take responsibility. Kung may nangyari na hindi maganda, you also have to think na meron kang part dito kung bakit hindi siya naging maayos. Maybe that is what you've been trying to think, no? Kung ano ba yung naging kasalanan ko. Okay? So, maybe one more. Self-esteem, I possess this gift of the soul that benefit me and others. Okay, so self-esteem is more of yung ikaw, no? How you look at yourself. Kung gabo parang ang tingin ko sa sarili ko is ganito ako, kaya ikaw yung mag-uplift sa sarili mo eh. 'Di ba? Hindi yung ibang tao i-down ka pa, gano'n, no? Pag dinown ka ng ibang tao, itaas mo yung sarili mo. Okay? I hope nakatulong ito sa iyo, Aqua. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.